As a peacemaker, I don't believe on what we can talk. Any person who partner with Wike rig election, he say they no go back. Now listen to me. We can say he ready for the fire for fire this time. Hello. I believe what you talk. And I know say we dey fight things so, but this time now our election no. They want to pass the experiment. They don't teach us what they do. What did they know how to do? They won't do them again. INEC officials have just a talk. What did governor talk? Now they tell you now, if you like, come again, go take your plenty money. Then come say your beavers let they walk. I don't go there everywhere. I don't go there every unit. I don't go there everywhere, but you go confirm. Confirmation. INEC officials, this message not now. We want good government for River State. Nemek will come out. Make no rig the election for me, no rig for any person. Do the right thing. The beavers must transmit the results. Any person will say be SPO, PO, or whatever. Get the right password. We even hear say they go just do as if they don't send them. We even hear say they go just do as if they don't send them. After you go revise. But no problem. PO, I mean SPO. Now 20,000 or 50,000, now you go use to risk that in. This time, correct the message. We must get it right this time. Now, my assurance to you people is this. Don't be discouraged. Come out even more than you came out for B2B. And what? Support and vote. Make sure you vote and stand for your vote to be counted. Don't be worried. There is nothing God cannot do. And they tell everybody, say, every day for the thief, one day for the owner of house.
Are you true?
Wicked they destroy, wicked they do this, wicked they come, all these things. Now we give her the mind that time. And I don't remember when I talk, say, we'll not go green wicked to become governor. I don't remember.
100%.
And I don't remember when Kegmanity Forum block every day. I said no. And I don't remember when if we can go campaign 2 minutes in a row. I don't remember. Now we there now. We go work for ourselves. The only thing we go do is say make we do business. Business is do peace, we do peace. Keep the rules. Follow the rules. We say we follow the rules. But if you go derail this time, they will call new amnesty. They will give people weak amnesty. All of us now they will give another amnesty. Ladies and gentlemen, go and vote for NROM, the B. They will bring money for you to induce you. Take it. Take the money. Our money. As we die, as all of us now, if I say make all of us bring 500, we're not going to bring it 10. That's what they keep us. That is how wicked they are. Is that the kind of government you want? Then the only way you can change it is by exercising your franchise. We are in this game together. Look, when you are coming to the polling unit, be ready for fights. Hello? He who is down fears no fall. He who is down fears no. If you be mama, come out early, sit down there, no worry, leave the children. Make them go vote. As you vote, stay there. If they see, say, may they transmit the result as the chairman explained to the beaver. They say beaver let it work. First, give it because see, we are present, we are around. Don't worry. We are around. In many local government, we are around. Even for the house front, we did. This time the thing don't happen, go check the house. This time it don't happen, eh? Their house, earthquake go there. Because he cannot find trouble. He cannot find trouble and hide in the house. Because he get bulletproof. That bulletproof go wound. INEC be warned. This message be warned. You have rigged the election. you have reached the will of the people. You subverted the will of the people. Be warned. If you are not ready to conduct the election, change the dates and be ready. Rivers people will not take it again this time around. Rivers people will not take it again this time around. Enough is enough of the impunity. Enough is enough of the slavery. Enough is enough of the victimization. We need a government that will be answerable to the people. We need a government that will be accountable to the people. We don't need a government that will become a tyrant. May God help us all in Jesus' name. On this note, I want to say thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.